Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 GMC Sierra 1500. Under the hood we have a 5.3-liter V8 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in white. It looks fantastic. You do have your GMC badging up front there with your tow hooks just down there. You do also have projector style headlights right there. And coming around the side, we do have 17-inch rims with our Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. Tires look very nice, and those rims look awesome as well. You do have the heated exterior mirrors on it right there. And coming all the way around to the back here, we do have our box. Got the 4x4 badging, little step up there. You do have the Sierra and the GMC. Open this guy up. Tons of room back here as well. Looks fantastic. You got lots and lots of room. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 pressed to unlock, 1 pressed to lock. You do have your panic button down there. But let's take a look on the inside here. On the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Bit of chrome accenting here. Handle, some storage, and some more just down here. Looks great in here. Very soft as well. Very comfortable. Got electric seats here, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar. Then up here, you also have the controls over your lights and your 4-wheel, 2-wheel, all that fun stuff in there. You got your off, your auto, your daytime running lights, and your low beams. Then up here, you do have your high beams, your turning signals, and your windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now in the center here, you do have your speedometer and your odometer, as well as your fuel gauge, your engine temperature, and all that in there, your oil and your battery as well. Then in the center, you do also have how many kilometers you have your speed you're going, and the gear that we're in. Now we can change it around a little bit to your trip. You have your fuel range, you got your average fuel economy, tire pressure, remaining oil life, transmission fluid, engine hours, units there, and then you can turn it off as well. Then you can control all your cruise control right there, horn in the center, and your gear shift right here like this. Then in the center you do have your radio, so you have your AM and your FM right here, as well as your presets down here. You can switch it on from your FM to your AM right there. Then you also have your media tab here if you have one hooked up through your Bluetooth, your USB, or your aux cord plug-in. You got your tuner here. You also have your home button. Then you have your back button, your menu, all that fun stuff, as well as your volume up and down with the off and the menu and the browser there. You got your climate controls down here, so the power up and down, your AC, got where it's going to blow out of. You have your circulation, heat up and, your defrost, and then your heat up and down there. Then you have your traction control and the light in the back. You can open this guy up, you got some storage just in there. And then in the center you do have 3 cup holders as well as an armrest. That doubles as a storage container. You do have your USB plug-in and aux cord plug-in there. And then you can close this up, lift this up, you got another seat, so you got 6 seats altogether. Then you can also lift this up, and there's a little secret compartment underneath there. Then over here you do have a top layer glove box and a bottom layer right there. Looks great. You got a sunglass holder up here and some lights as well. Let's take a look at the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you do have that same chrome accenting. You have the control of your windows, handle here, storage here and here, as well as some more down here. Looks great in here. Feels awesome. Same material as the front. You can fold this down. You got some cup holders and an armrest there. You can also lift this up just like this, and you got extra storage if everything is lifted up, and it looks very nice as well. And there's our 5.3-liter V8 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2015 GMC Sierra 1500. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.